Hola! In today's video, we will be showing you how to count the numbers 0 to 100 in Spanish. Remembering the numbers in Spanish can be somewhat tricky. However, there are many ways to help your mind remember. After learning how to count the numbers 1 through 10, it makes it easier to understand the other numbers. The ends of the numbers after 10 correlate to 1 through 10. The endings of most of the numbers after 10 should have the ending be some version of 1 through 10. However, the numbers 11 to 19 are a little different. They don't have an ending the same as the numbers 1 through 10. Instead, they have different endings. These are the most challenging to remember since they don't relate to the numbers we know from 1 through 10. They don't follow a pattern either. These, however, are the only numbers like this for 1 through 100. So as long as you can remember the numbers 1 through 10, 11 to 19, and the start of 20 to 100, you should be good to go. You'll notice this when we start counting the numbers in the next slide.
1 through 10 are very important to remember. After memorizing them, the rest will come pretty easy. The first 30 numbers are one word. 1 through 15 doesn't have a set formula to each number, but 16 and beyond will. After 15, you start to pronounce which tens place you're in. Diez, dice, viente. And then you would put an I at the end. After you put the I at the end, you would clarify where in the ones place you are. For example, if you were saying 26, you would say viente seis. Now I will count to pronounce each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 16, you'll start to see it goes the tens place, y, and then the ones place. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and after 30, you'll start to see that it goes the tens place, y, the ones place. So 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
50 is 50, 51 is 51, 52 is 52, 53 is 53, 54 is 54, 55 is 55, 56 is 56, 57 is 57, 58 is 58, 59 is 59. I'll be reading the 60s now. 60 is 60, 61 is 61, 62 is 62, 63 is 63, 64 is 64, 65 is 65, 66 is 66, 67 is 67, 68 is 68, and 69 is 69. So now I'll be going into the 70s. 70 is 70, 71 is 71, 72 is 72, 73 is 73, 74 is 74, 75 is 75, 76 is 76, 77 is 77, 78 is 78, and 79 is 79. I'll now be reading the 80s. 80 is 80, 81 is 81, 82 is 82, 83 is 83, 84 is 84, 85 is 85, 86 is 86, 87 is 87, 88 is 88, and 89 is 89. I'll now be moving into the 90s. 90 is noventa. 91 is noventa y uno. 92 is noventa y dos. 93 is noventa y tres. 94 is noventa y cuatro. 95 is noventa y cinco. 96 is noventa y seis. 97 is noventa y siete. 98 is noventa y ocho. And 99 is noventa y nueve. I'll now be finishing with 100 as number 100.
Concluded counting numbers in Spanish. Learning the numbers in Spanish is very beneficial when learning the language. It is a key thing everyone should know. These numbers will come up when asking the time somewhere, trying to find a street number, ordering food, and more. We also use them to measure years, months, weeks, days, hours, seconds, feet, miles, inches, meters, and yards. We realize how much we use the numbers when speaking in English, and it is the same as in Spanish. Numbers are a favorably valued aspect of any language. In closing, we hope this video helps you learn and understand the importance of numbers and how to say them correctly in Spanish. Remembering what was taught will help you in future conversations with anyone you may or may not know. We hope you enjoyed. Adios.